Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a grid trading bot. A grid trading bot automates buying and selling cryptocurrency or other assets. It places a series of buy and sell orders at predetermined price intervals within a specific range. This strategy aims to profit from small price fluctuations, making it ideal for volatile, sideways markets. It's a systematic approach to capitalize on market movements. Setting up your grid bot involves a few key steps. First, select a trading pair and an exchange that supports grid trading. Next, you'll define your desired price range, setting clear upper and lower limits. Then, decide on the number of grids, which dictates how many buy and sell orders will be placed. Finally, allocate the capital you wish to use, perhaps starting with $500. To optimize your grid bot's performance, consider adjusting the grid density to match current market volatility. It's also wise to implement a stop-loss order to protect your capital from significant downturns. Regularly monitor market trends and be prepared to adjust your defined price range as conditions change. Always backtest your strategy using historical data to refine your settings before deploying real funds. Grid trading bots are most effective in sideways or ranging markets where prices fluctuate within a defined channel. You should generally avoid using them in strong trending markets, whether upward or downward, as they can incur losses. Remember to regularly review and adapt your bot settings to current market conditions. When starting, it's prudent to begin with a small investment, perhaps $100, to understand its behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.